What's going on, guys? It's your boy Venomega back with another video, and today we're back playing Grand Theft Auto 5 story mode. Today we're back where we left off. We're gonna do the Michael mission. Don't know what's gonna happen. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Daddy's little girl. First we gotta get some sleep though.
What are you doing? I used to love you, Tony. How dare you point that thing at me?
Oh man, I could go for some chips right now.
You don't love me. You love what I represent. You love being the...
Dude, do you even have a penis? Or are you one of those hermaphrodites born without genitals?
tricks up the sleeves, huh?
Same. I'm just a nightclub singer with a broken heart. I still love you, Tony.
Hold to yourself. You're in over your head and you're up there.
Damn.
Jimmy! God damn it. The fuck you doing?
Nothing.
Really? Because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, suck cock that.
Go away.
What?
You know, go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit. Fuck you!
What the fuck?
Disrespectful little asshole!
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah! No!
Yeah!
Why you
No!
do something? Besides, sit there, eating!
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
I'm sorry. I just wish we could do things together.
Yeah, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball,
You know I have bad glands.
bike ride then.
Bike ride. You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine. Let's go on a fucking bike ride.
I love their relationship so much.
We'll take
It's
a
just
bike ride
insult
along
one
this
after
beachy
another.
beach, and I'll show you just what you want to see.
Alright, let's go to the bike rental stand.
This day was going so well until you showed up. You know that? Ugh!
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, well, you're lucky.
Well, I
Yeah, well, you're
still
lucky
can't
to even
drive.
be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
If I'm hanging with you, I'm listening to my music. Fuck yeah, I'm a jam.
Yeah, I can't
What's
hear
the
anything.
Big deal? If anything goes wrong, you can just fake your death and start all
I
over.
turned off
How
the
am I
music
meant
for
to develop
copyright
my
issues.
own moral sensibilities when yours are so unbelievably fuck-based? You're driving like a psychopath, Michael! Do you realize that? Or are you so high on your own outmoded sense of masculinity that you think this is normal?
Shut your
This is
Bible.
normal.
I think we'll both be happier if we can.
Hey!
This is normal. This is normal.
Possible.
God! You think I've got learning difficulties, huh? Take a good long look in the mirror, pal. I'm not the one who doesn't respect my fellow human being.
No, not unless they're a spick or a Jew boy or an ass-munching homo.
Oh, there was me thinking there's a difference between witty banter arising from a sense of competition
Really? Really?
and mowing someone down in the street.
Hey, I never said you had learning difficulties, Jim.
Well, I do, and you never cared.
I just said that Dr. Freelander thought that maybe you had problems relating to people.
Alright.
Here we are,
You
the
done?
bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of, like, force of habit.
What if I do? What's gonna happen?
Hey, you! 2 bikes.
Take your pick.
You know what? I'm gonna go with the mountain bike right here.
I'll take this one.
If I beat you to the end of the pier, you're buying me a new TV.
And who agreed to that? Yeah, I'm beating you so much. Alright, let's just take a stroll. It's not that hard to beat Jimmy, I think. Let's go. Yeah. Buddy hop.
Not sleeping too well, but everything's
Yep, Willie. Wheelie. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. I wish I could do. I hope I can do bunny hops on my 30s. In my 30s, I mean. That would be cool. Fuck you. What? I just hit her in the foot. Alright, alright, alright. We're on our bike. Ring, 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 ring. That was a nice jump. That was fun. Alright. You can see the sweat on Michael's back. That's what I call attention to detail. Out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. Alright, let's hit her. I think she's dead. You wanna... Let's just wait for Jimmy.
End of the pier. Fine. Looks like you're buying your own TV.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun if it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit? And why don't you stick your nose up Tracy's butt sometime?
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford, so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are
Damn.
you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft? You know the kind of boat, the one that makes a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck.
Probably.
Ah!
Dad, wait! Dad,
Jump!
no, stop!
Alright, let's go. Let's go towards the boat, and I'll see you guys when we arrive there. It's so long, fucking time to swim. Ran out of stamina a couple of times. But what's up, Tracy?
I'm a dancer. Yeah.
Hey, man, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Come on, sweetheart. Take you out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
That was
What?
your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Mr.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls can talk.
You think I do it?
Hey,
No.
hey,
Shit,
ain't cool,
Daddy.
man. What are you doing? Hey!
Throw him over the boat. Yeah, buddy. That's how I like it.
You're such a
Throw him
jerk.
over the boat.
Come on!
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the scene of my fucking boat! Oh, motherfuckers! Get on, now! I'm about to skin you alive!
Go ahead.
God damn it! Go!
Hey, fuck you.
OMG, they're coming. Go into that outlet.
All right, all right!
F off or my dad will like cap one of your asses. They're shooting. They're effing shooting.
I can't see so much. He's going to first person.
We'll lose them if we keep going this way! Who the fuck are these people?
Oh, you know, TV people, celebs, serious drug dealers.
Well, since when did TV people and drug dealers start hanging out?
Come on, Dad, it's Los Santos.
Let's go
Get away
through
from
here.
them. How is capping us going to solve anything? Daddy, you
That's
just
one of 'em.
killed him.
Hey, don't worry, it's
And the
amazing what
jet
modern
ski
medicine can do!
Run, okay? My dad's gone crazy.
I can't see for shit.
Turn around or he'll cap you too. They're both dead! I can't believe this!
Just calm down. I did what I had to do.
Alright, we're out of
Let me
there.
take you back to your brother.
I'm an accessory to murder!
No, you're not. You're an accessory to self-defense.
True,
Have I,
true.
like, got to be a witness because I like, did some blow?
You did blow?
Yeah, I did some blow, and that might, like, make my testimony inadmissible.
You're not admitting anything. There won't be a trial unless you're on a trial for doing blow.
After you ruined my day, stole my friend's shit, capped them, and I'm the one on trial?
They started it. And we wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't hung out with some creepy-ass porno people and done blow.
You didn't
He's right,
know
you
I
know.
did blow until I told you I did blow, so this should be like an increase in trust and honesty thing. I see that traitor! Jimmy! Jimmy!
Jimmy!
Listen, he's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my day too?
I
Yes.
didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.
He didn't. He's just trying to be a good parent, you know? Boink! Mission passed, Daddy's little girl. That was a cool mission. You good? Triathlon event now available.
Oh, see, now it's on him.
Alright. Can we smack anyone? Fuck you! I'm on the LSPD Secure Communication Channel. They've got a tactical team going toward Palomino. I've intercepted, steal a truck, and bring it back to my factory. Yep.
Stay out of my fucking way!
Alright, these guys wanna hustle? Alright. Give him a smacky, smacky. Alright, you wanna fight too? Alright, here you go. Boy. I'm sorry, I will give up, okay? I'm sorry.
Dr. Hernandez, thanks for calling back.
What's up, man?
I really wish I could talk. I gotta go.
Hey, I'm just curious.
Let's just dive into the ocean. And let's escape. We're gonna go do the heist setup mission, and I'll see you guys when we get there.
Trying out. Got a little.
Oh!
Whoa! Got him.
You got lucky, buddy. What is this shit?
Alright, we're nearing up to the police truck. Or just a truck.
What is this
Oh, no.
bullshit?
We need this truck right here, right?
You inbred asshole.
We died. I shouldn't have got the cops on me in the first place. Let's retry that. Right, I got a plan. You know what that plan is, guys? I want to block him. Got one of them. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Jeez. Alright, let's go. We got 3 stars. That means the helicopters will come looking for us as well. I got an idea that involves going up to this parking garage. I can see the carbine rifles in the back right here. So that's pretty neat. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Now, we do this. We go into the cop station. I did not remember that. Alright. I know something. We just gotta be smart.
What's wrong with you?
Alright, this is gonna take a while, I think.
Charlie 4 here. We're in the air and on our way.
Someone's coming down this way. So that means we're gonna go in here. And then go up here. Oh no. Oh no, they're coming. Oh no, we made it. Alright. Let's head to the garment factory. Let's bring the carbine rifles to Lester. Shouldn't be too hard.
I ain't got time to swap details, asshole.
Alright, we made it to the garment factory.
All right, Lester, I got us the TAC team rifles.
All right, then this squad is ready to go. Come inside and meet the crew.
Alright. You guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.